Yeah, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I am Darren, of course, and today we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to do some smoked and fried wings, like the title says, but we're going to use the new Typhur Dome air fryer to fry them up. I got this recently, tried it out a few times. I really like it. It's a really super fast air fryer, very powerful. And we're going to show you how to do smoked fried wings for your Super Bowl party using the Typhur Dome. I'll be back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, so here's the Typhur Dome air fryer. One of the things I really like about this thing, guys, is it actually is Wi-Fi enabled, and you can use your app with it. It does have some built-in recipes, but the cool thing is you can actually be in another room and control your air fryer, and just like any of the new Internet of Things, you know, we have busy lives now, and if we can do something, if we're not standing right in front of it every 5 minutes, the better. So I'm going to show you the app in just a few minutes, but it does come with your basic how to use instructions, of course, but it's really easy once you look at it. It's got a bunch of presets here: fries, wings, steak, bacon, all kinds of stuff, roast. It's got an air fry mode, but you can also adjust the temperature and the time and do things manually. It's even got a dehydrate function and a toast function. So if you just wanted to make toast with this, you can. It's a little bit a different shape from most of your air fryers, but one of the things I love is it's got a lot of room in here. Now, you couldn't really put a whole chicken in here unless you spatchcocked it and kind of pounded it down, because it is kind of flat, probably about 2.5 to 3 inches thick here, maybe more like 3 inches thick. So it does have this non-stick little tray, so that makes it easier to pull out and clean stuff. This is all non-stick in here, so it's super easy to clean up. It does have a kind of an insulation here on the outside. One of the things I like about this thing, guys, it's really super quiet, and you're going to hear that later. It's got a vent here on the back, and I'll show you that all your hot air comes out the back here. But very easy to use. Like I said, you can use your app with it with some pre-made recipes and also watch and control it. But very simple to use on here. You just want to broil something, just hit broil. Wings, just hit wings. Fries, hit fries. Or you can adjust it if you want something more well done than the presets are. You can actually use a longer time or a hotter temperature, or both. So super simple, guys, super easy to use. It's a little on the pricey side, but it's super strong as well. This thing will fry, cook things in probably half the time most of your air fryers. It's well insulated too, so it's not going to heat up your kitchen. It's made really well. It's going to last a long time. You won't be replacing this after a couple of years. And it's Wi-Fi enabled, so you'll be able to monitor this wherever you are. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just get the wings started. We're going to put this over to the side, and when we're ready to fry them up at the end, we'll show you exactly how we're going to use it. But first, we're going to smoke these wings up. So take a look at the Typhur if you have a chance, guys. I'll leave a link to it below. I'll go get the wings, and we'll start working on those. All right, guys, these are going to be really super simple wings. I got the party wings from Costco, the big pack, and they're already pre-cut, so I don't even have to bother cutting the tips off and then cutting them up. They're pretty much already ready to go. So I got a mixture of flappers and drums, and just going to lay them out on this pan with a rack on it, because I want to keep it up off the bottom of the pan so the smoke can actually go all the way around the wings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Rectech Bullseye Deluxe. I got that going on low, which is about 180 degrees. It's going to get a nice smoke profile to it. We're going to put it on there for about 35, 45 minutes, not very long. And then we're going to go ahead and move those over into the air fryer. But first I'm going to put a little spray oil on each side. I'm actually going to put the spray oil on, and then we're going to season it. I'm looking for my tongs. Didn't bring my tongs out, so I'll just use my hands. So we're going to season it after we put the spray oil on. And I'm using my blueberry and black garlic seasoning. It's going to be a little sweet, a little heat, a little of that savory black garlic. Try it out, guys. You can buy it below. Blueberry and black garlic. You're not going to find this seasoning anywhere else. It's very unique to my brand. So it's going to give a pretty cool color because of this. Comes out of the bottle purple because of the blueberry powder. Like I said, I got a little bit of heat in here with some cayenne and regular pepper. The black garlic's going to add some savoriness to it. And there's a little sugar in here as well. That's it, guys. We're going to go ahead and put them on the smoker. It's up to temp. It's up to about 120 degrees right now. It's going to get up to about 180 and sit there. And like I said, we'll have it on there for about 35 to 40 minutes. We'll take a look at them and then we'll get them out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, the smoker's up to temp. Like I said, we're going to set it here on low, which will be about 180 degrees, which is going to be great because all I'm wanting to do is get some smoke to these wings. Don't really need to cook them much at all. Just want to get some smoke to them, and then we're going to put them in the air fryer. All right, guys, I want to go over the Typhur app here with you. It does have the ability to hook up the Typhur Dome, if you can see here, and it does have some preset recipes you can pick from the menu in the app if you're going to use it for that. But you can also adjust it manually as well, and all you have to do is go back to that main menu here and pick the dome, and you can actually monitor the time and the temp. You can actually make adjustments. You can do the air fryer, the toast, all those functions, the presets as well. So very convenient that you can use this with your phone. So we're going to go ahead and just do wings. It does have preset time and temp, and we're going to try it out. One of the things I really like about this thing, guys, is the size of the tray, and also the little perforated tray that it sits, the food sits on, because it does give about a quarter of an inch of room off the bottom where it won't sit in the juices. So especially with things like these wings, there's going to be some moisture that comes out of them, and it's going to pool in the bottom, and your wings won't be sitting in that, so they get to stay pretty crispy as well. So it's a really large tray as well, so you can see all those wings fit in there, which is about 30 wings. So we're going to go ahead and let this cook. I did, when it was done cooking for those 14 minutes, they weren't as crispy as I liked, so I went ahead and adjusted the temperature up to 445 and put it in for another 4 minutes, and they turned out really well. So we're going to go ahead and take them out now. I'm just going to show you just how good they came out. Got a nice dark color from that blueberry and black garlic seasoning. Going to go ahead and take them out and put them on the tray. Like I said, guys, the moisture collected at the bottom. I did, when I originally took them out the first time, I did get rid of some of that moisture, just so that it didn't steam as much when it was cooking, and it crisped them up a little bit better in the air fryer. So really like this air fryer, guys, for the adjustability and what you can do with it, and the size. So like I said, the blueberry and black garlic seasoning on these gives a little bit of sweet, a little bit of heat, but you can also use my sauces, the Triple B sauce, which is blueberry, black garlic, and balsamic, and then the hot Triple B, which is blueberry, black garlic, and balsamic with a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of chipotle for heat, however you like it. These turned out really well. Good smoke flavor, good crisp. The air fryer and the smoker worked really well together. Thanks for watching, guys. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, like, subscribe, and share, and check out our seasonings below.